Good morning. For those of you that don't know, I am Miss Edwards, the 4th grade teacher, and this morning I have the pleasure of sharing my passion for games. I love all types of games, such as board games. My current favorite is Splendor. I love puzzle games like Sudoku. I love card games like the one I'm going to share with you this morning. I love dice games like King of Tokyo, sports games, Go Lakers, lawn games like croquet, even escape the room games. I have a competitive spirit that enjoys problem solving and working together as a team to accomplish a common goal. Sharing this passion of mine is always fun. So last week I shared with my 4th graders how to play the game Spoons. So I'm going to teach all of you now. All you need is a deck of cards and some spoons, and here's how to set it up. So spoons go in the center of the table. This example has 4 players, so you only need 3 spoons. And the dealer deals out 4 cards to each player, and then they keep the rest in a pile in front of them. And you pick up the top card to start the game, and they look at it, decide if they want it, to keep it because it's a match, or pass it. So that continues all the way around the circle. You pick up from the right and you discard to the left. Now on to the objective of the game. So the goal is to collect 4 of a kind. For example, 4 8s, or 4 cards with a queen on it. Once someone gets 4 of a kind, then they slyly grab a spoon from the center of the table. Once one spoon is missing, then everyone gets to grab a spoon. You have to be quick and you have to be a good observer because you don't want to be the last one without a spoon. If you are, unfortunately, you are out and that ends the round. It keeps going until there's only one person left and they are crowned the winner. Now that I have shared one game with you, come find me and share a game that you love because I'd love to try it too. Thank you for listening and game on.